How you doing? Could you tell me your name and what I was in here real quick there?
Anthony Baldwin. This is my dad's vehicle. That's a 07 Chrysler Aspen. Okay. It's got 4 Wolfram AU 12s on an MD12K at 0.5 and 90 amp hour C-Max. It's got a CES 320 set at 15.8.
All right, nice. Triple baffle?
I believe so. Effing Loud Custom Enclosures. That's my dad's friend, DJ from Indiana.
Nice. All right. Have y'all metered it?
Does I think it did a 153 and some change. If I remember right.
Okay. All right. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
All right. What was your name first?
Anthony.
Anthony. Thanks, Anthony. Oh wow. Uh-oh. That looks good. Nice box. Thanks for showing me, man. Nice to meet you. Uh-oh. Sorry. I love to hear.
I know you like this song.
That's funny.
Get you some more footage on that.
Oh, we're good, man. Thanks for showing me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.